Hi, I'm Lewis from Olympus. Today, we will cover the E095 error message on the OER-Elite endoscope processor, indicating that detergent has not been properly delivered to the device. Before using the equipment, be sure to read and understand the details of the instruction manual. As always, please ensure proper protective equipment is worn while maintaining and operating the OER-Elite. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Olympus Technical Assistance Center, otherwise known as TAC, in the event you need additional assistance.
The OER-Elite will display a 093 message advising user to confirm the amount of detergent in the tank and check tubes. If the message 093 reoccurs after confirming the detergent volume is sufficient and the tubing is in good working order, simply press the stop button and proceed with remedial action. Once the stop button is pressed on the OER-Elite, the E095 error code will appear on the display. Press the OK button. The OER-Elite will display a list of items needed to resolve the E095 error code. Now, let's get started with the E095 remedial solution. First, step on the foot pedal to open the OER-Elite lid. Locate the provided tube and syringe as displayed on the screen. Press Next on the display with the stylus pen. Connect the tube to the syringe and ensure the tube is secure. Next, attach the open end of the tube to the detergent nozzle located inside the OER-Elite reprocessing basin. Once the tube is connected, simply pull the plunger until detergent fills the barrel of the syringe. You may need to repeat this action multiple times until the syringe barrel is clear of any air bubbles. Avoid dispensing the syringe-filled detergent inside the OER-Elite basin, otherwise excessive foaming may occur. Finally, pinch the tube at the closest point to the detergent nozzle and remove it. Then, rinse the syringe and tube thoroughly under running water. Dry each item and store them in a clean place. Finally, press OK on the E095 error screen until the error is gone. You will need to start the OER-Elite reprocessing cycle from the beginning to ensure the endoscopes are properly reprocessed. If the cycle completes successfully without error, the remedial action just performed has resolved the 093 detergent cannot be supplied message and E095 error.
Welcome back. This concludes troubleshooting the OER-Elite E095 error code. We hope you found the information helpful. As always, don't hesitate to contact our experienced TAC team in the event you need additional assistance. Thanks for watching.